To begin your physical affidavit request, click on Request Affidavit from the navigation bar. Validate your profile by confirming that all of your details are correct. Set up your request by selecting Walk-in and choose the judicial location close to you. Then pick your affidavit type and submit. You can either make payment online or with court vouchers. After making your payments, fill out the affidavit template with the necessary information. After filling in, proceed to submit for approval. And now, congratulations, your affidavit is ready for pickup.